Food is a religion to its own. It's all surrounded around how we bring people together. You look at all the religions. You know, the most iconic thing in Christianity is the Last Supper. That makes us stewards, and that makes legacy, and that makes the next generation, you know, want to prosper. And it also brings about community.
And we can't forget the music. I know you're a huge
Oh,
music
yeah,
head,
yeah.
and every religion has that music in there, right?
Chefs are nothing but musicians that never made it, you know?
Ah, that's true, right?
I mean, but music is a part of it. I mean, you have to have the beat, you know, you have to have the rhythm. You know, kitchens operate in rhythm. You know, the best kitchens operate in rhythm. You know, it's always the yes chef. The chef is calling out the orders. It's like, yes chef, you know, to give the cadence to how things going. And it makes it a soulful experience, and not just in the quoting of the book, but it's bringing all the spirits together to celebrate each other. And that's what makes it fascinating to me, why food has to be a religion.
Well, I've joined your church.